sound outside my window feels like you right at my door. I say I'm fine to all my friends though. They don't know what I'm waiting for. I'm still waiting for you. Lights on, heart open, cup on cold, but the hope is golden. I'm still waiting for you. Same old song, still humming. Every little sign feels like you're coming. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Shoes by the mat, two spaces. You left your sweater in June. I clean the shelf where your face is. In that frame photo by my room. I keep your name off every
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video. Today we have the A-4 SKYHAWK, a very iconic fighter from United States of America, mostly adopted by the US Navy. This is a quite old aircraft that you could find on older aircraft carriers. It's a single engine fighter, very small and the smallest probably among all my fighters so far. Here you can have a quick view with the A-4 that it's here on the top, and here the Mirage is also a close call, but yeah, it's the smallest I made so far. And in today's review, as usual, I'll show you all the little details and the features of the aircraft, plus here you can find more extra parts because this one is quite customizable. You can make it almost as you wish. As usual, this is also in minifigure scale. Here we find a minifigure, and during the review I'll also show you how it looks like with the minifigure inside. But before starting, a fast reminder, remember to check the caption of the video where you can find the link to download the instructions to build this one and my other designs, a link to get the full set, and also cheaper third-party bricks. If you don't find one of them in this moment, don't worry, very soon you will find everything, so keep checking the link to find what you like most, and also the playlist with the other creations. So if you like this one, you can check also the others, and also remember to leave a thumbs up if you like this one or my other creations. It's always appreciated and very useful, so YouTube will know you like my videos and hopefully show you more of them. Said that, we can start with the review. I think we can start with the minifigure, so we can check the cockpit and place the minifigure inside. First, customization. Here you can find this extra part that is needed now to open the cockpit and keep this very peculiar shape. You have to disconnect this one, and now you can open the cockpit. Now, if you want to place the minifigure inside and close it again, you can use the same part as a cover. But if you want to display the model open, you can also decide to use this one here. Same thing if you like to open and close it often, but for a better look, I still prefer to use this one. We can place the minifigure inside here, and this is how it looks like with the minifigure. We have some instruments inside the cockpit. It's a very small mock, as you can notice. I think we can close the windshield again this way. We can cover with this one. I think we may start here from the front where we have this air refueling probe. We have some instruments here on the bottom. We have the landing gears that are retractable but with something that I'll show you later, so it's important, keep it in mind. The main guns, we have one here and one here. The air brakes that you can see, they are already open. We can close one, so you can check one open and one close and see the difference. So here it's the air brake close, here the air brake open. Then on the wings we have moving surfaces. This one that can go up and down, up and down. We can keep it, I don't know, up. While here this can be opened one up and one down this way. If we keep going, we have the tail moving surfaces. This one can go up and down this way, up and down, and we can keep it, I don't know, up maybe. Then here can go right and left like this, and we can keep it, I don't know, this way maybe, yep. Then here on the back we have the main engine, and we should now check the bottom, but first I would like to keep going with the top section and show you what these parts are for. This one is an extra fuel compartment, I guess. What we have to do is to remove 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay, you remove these 3. Here we remove this one, and then this goes up this way. You can find this one, goes here. Then you remove also the light that is present here and cover everything this way. And you have it with this extra fuel compartment tank on the top. Now, here on the side, as we said before, we have this air refueling probe. Also, this one is present in different shapes, but we also have one where you can remove here this section of it and replace it with this other one. If you choose to use this version, this is what you will get if you like it, but maybe you don't like air refueling because, I don't know, you don't. And if you don't like it, you can simply remove everything, remove 1, 2, and 3, remove also here this little one, and you get also the covers. One goes here, and one goes here, to get the aircraft without air refueling. So again, very customizable. Let's rotate it upside down because it's better for us to check everything. And we have here an arresting hook because the aircraft was adopted on aircraft carriers. So we have the arresting hook that can be closed this way, but also this one. Maybe you don't want the arresting hook, no problem. You can easily disconnect it. Goodbye, no arresting hook. Very simple. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pylons for the weapons that I'll show you very soon. So watch the video until the end to check also the weapons. The front landing gear is pretty simple. You have only to push it down this way. It goes inside this space. You can close the hatch here like this, and then you can close this other part this way. Now, as you can see, it's closed. Very nice, very cool. While for the back landing gears, we have a problem. I tried to make them fully retractable, but I failed. What I did was to find a middle solution, because they are retractable, but you have to disconnect the wheel. So you disconnect the wheel here, you disconnect the wheel here, and save them somewhere. I don't know, I'm sorry. You have to rotate them 90 degrees this way, 90 degrees this way, okay, and now they are retractable. I'm sorry, but you can retract them only without the wheel. Same for the other one, obviously, so also this one can be retracted without the wheel. Usually the wheel goes inside the fuselage, but the real one is not made with bricks, luckily. So here compromises as usual, sorry. And final solution, yes, we don't have the wheel, but I hope you still like it. Here we have 5 pylons. These are for the weapons that you can see here. This is my weapon pack, included with the instructions of all my aircraft. So if you get the instructions for the A-4 SKYHAWK, you get the instructions also to all these weapons, and you can choose the one you like most. With the kit, you have already included some weapons, and in this case we can choose some of them. On the real one, obviously, you have limitations, but this is a mock, so you can do whatever you want, I don't judge. And here you can check the more or less final result, and just in case you have the landing gears retracted and the weapons, maybe you also want a stand. And don't worry, you have a free tutorial stand here in the right top corner or caption on the video, with 3 kind of them in different sizes. For this mock you need the largest among them, that you can see here already connected to give you an idea. Obviously you can't use the central pylon anymore. if you want to use the stand, but the result I think is still pretty cool. Here you can see the length of the landing gears is different. This one is longer compared to the back landing gears. It's not a mistake, but because in real life this aircraft on the ground is not horizontal but slightly inclination this way. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the ground, and if you connect also here the little ladder, I think it looks like even cooler. And for this review it's everything. I have shown you all the features of the A-4 SKYHAWK. I hope you liked this very small but quite enjoyable mock. If yes, remember to leave a thumbs up, remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Again, check the caption video, you can find all the very useful links I told you before. And as usual, see you again next time with a new video. Bye!